Okay, first grade, you are going to be creating this beautiful jellyfish for our little ocean theme. So today, all we're going to be doing is our background. We're just going to do the ocean part in the background, and we're going to be learning some jellyfish facts and reading some books about jellyfish. Next week, we're actually going to be practicing our jellyfish. We're going to draw our jellyfish on here. And yeah, so that's what we'll be doing next week. This week, though, you are going to be watercoloring the background. You will have a paper that looks like this. It's a long piece of paper because jellyfish are long. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to just watercolor today. And you will have a brush and blue watercolor. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that when you watercolor today, your strokes are going to go this way, not this way. Okay, your strokes are going to go this way. You're going to cover the entire picture with watercolor. And this is a really long piece of paper, so it may take you a while. Okay? No gloppy water monsters. You want some nice big strokes. And I'm going to do this all the way down the paper. I don't have any gloppy water monsters. When I am done, I should be able to flip my paper upside down and no water will drip. I'm going to do this all the way down. Perfect. Okay, if you noticed, I covered my entire strip. I made sure there's no gloppy water monsters, and I went back and I made sure that I covered in all those little white spots. And do you see how it created all these different, beautiful different values of blue? This is what we want. This is what we're trying, the effect we're trying to create. So we want it to look like water, very deep ocean water. So we got some where the light's coming through. Make sure you do those brush strokes this way, not this way, or it won't look the same. It won't look realistic like it's really water. Okay, when you're done with this, you're going to put it on the drying rack. You're going to get a wipe, clean your hands, your mats, and make sure you clean up your area. All right, have fun. Next week, we are going to be practicing our jellyfish. All right, have fun.